kalimat bahasa Inggris yang sering digunakan sehari-hari. Di video kali ini, kita akan belajar kalimat sederhana yang bisa kita gunakan sehari-hari. Adik-adik, dengarkan lalu coba tirukan ya. Ucapkan dengan percaya diri. Memperkenalkan diri. Hello, I am Vano. I am a boy. I am 10 years old. This is my sister. She is a girl. Hello, I am Lala. I am a girl. I am 6 years old. I like to play. I like to play with my brother. Sarapan. Vano is having breakfast. Hello everyone. I like to eat bread. I like to drink milk. I like breakfast. Bermain di lapangan. Hello everyone. Lala and I are playing. I am flying a kite. My kite is red. I'm playing with a balloon. My balloon is blue. Minum jus jeruk. Lala is in the kitchen. What is she doing? I am thirsty. I need a drink. I want to drink orange juice. It tastes sweet. Orange juice is good for health. Oranges have vitamin C in them. Memetik apel. Vano dan teman-temannya sedang berada di kebun apel. What are they doing? There are a lot of apples in the farm. My friends and I are picking them. We put them in the box. How many apples do we have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 apples. They look delicious. Menulis. Putri is writing. She is using a pencil to write. She likes that pencil. She has color pencils. She has a red color pencil. She has a blue color pencil. She has a green color pencil. Bermain di taman. It is nice to play in the playground. The sky is clear. We have lots of fun. It is fun to play in the sun. It is warm and bright. Mengerjakan PR. We are doing our homework. We do our homework at the table. My table is round. Her table is square. Hujan. It's raining outside. I am walking home. I have an umbrella. This is my umbrella. The color is purple. I use it when it rains. My umbrella keeps me dry. Pergi sekolah. We are going to school. Our father will drive us there. We will ride in his car. We like to ride in the car. The car goes fast. Mengecat dinding. My father is painting the wall. He is painting it yellow. The wall is yellow. Goodbye, sampai jumpa lagi.